Welcome to another episode of our series, where we uncover the crucial roles within the maintenance and operations teams. Today we're going to deep dive into the world of maintenance technicians, the unsung heroes keeping our facilities and assets in top shape. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and in this video, we'll explore the different types of technicians, their varied responsibilities, and the certifications available in the field. We'll also look at the savings an organization can make by hiring in-house technicians and give you a sneak peek into a typical day in the life of these professionals. Maintenance technicians are at the heart of every organization, ensuring the smooth running of facilities and assets. Their responsibilities can vary greatly depending on the size of the organization and maintenance budget. For instance, a maintenance technician for a small apartment community is a jack of all trades, while a maintenance technician within a world-class manufacturing plant specializes in preventive, predictive, and emergency maintenance on specific types of equipment. Their skill levels are often denoted by Roman numerals, usually ranging from 1 through 4. The higher the numeral, the more experience they have. Each skill level carries the same amount of responsibilities, but the technical aptitude and leadership required varies. In large organizations, a maintenance technician reports to a maintenance supervisor or manager, while in smaller organizations, they report to a facility or property manager. So what exactly do these technicians do? Well, they perform different types of reactive and proactive maintenance, disseminate site-specific knowledge to contractors, perform quality assurance on components manufactured in-house or purchased from vendors, update preventive maintenance tasks and work orders in a CMMS, and work with other departments to keep a facility and related equipment in good working order. They are expected to demonstrate the ability to follow a manufacturer's specifications and schematics, solve problems under limited supervision, understand general mechanical and electrical principles, comprehend OSHA standards in regards to performing work duties, and prioritize safety by demonstrating safe work practices and promoting a safe work environment. Now, you might be wondering, who hires a maintenance technician? Well, any organization that manages physical capital assets, equipment, machinery, vehicles, buildings, etc., should have a maintenance technician on board. Without one, an organization would have to spend money on outside contractors, which can be 10 times more expensive than an in-house technician. Large organizations that must avoid the side effects of reactive maintenance hire multiple in-house technicians. This can save hundreds of thousands of dollars in a given year. There are different types of maintenance technicians, such as plant maintenance technicians who monitor and maintain the operation of plant systems and equipment, building maintenance technicians who inspect buildings on a daily basis and perform routine maintenance, facilities maintenance technicians who solve problems and perform basic maintenance and engineering tasks, and public works maintenance technicians who update inspection logs for fleet vehicle safety, efficiency, and appearance. So what does a typical day look like for a maintenance technician? They start by reviewing daily work orders, prioritize their workload, document any work performed, maintain constant awareness, and make updates as changes occur. They play a big role in helping a company improve reliability. They can help understand the root cause of equipment failures, guide the selection of precision tools, perform consistent preventive maintenance, update and organize drawings for critical equipment, update records of maintenance histories, and secure foundations for major equipment. There are also several certifications available for maintenance technicians. The Certified Maintenance and Reliability Technician certification is offered by the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals. The Certificate for Apartment Maintenance Technicians is offered by the National Apartment Association and accredited by the American National Standards Institute. The International Maintenance Institute also offers a variety of training and certifications for maintenance technicians. We've taken a deep dive into the world of maintenance technicians, their varied roles, responsibilities, and the importance of their work in any organization. We hope you found this information valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information and resources, please visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content in the future.